Millie was a kind person. My name is Millie. Hello everyone!
Philip was a really good person. My name is Philip. Hello everyone. My teacher said that the two new students were going to sit at the same table as me and Millie.
We have been friends for such a long time. It's just everything changed when he met those two new students. But remember, at the start of this story, we said that with courage and kindness, we could make things better.
Yeah, you know what? I can make a better choice, and I will. Because if we all join together in courage and kindness, we can become united against bullying.